Hi guys, it's Dee here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making spaghetti stir fry. Let's dive right into the video. First, we're going to cook our meat, and I'm going to be using chicken for this recipe. Guys, season your chicken. I will be using some curry powder, some thyme, chopped onions. If you have garlic, please add it. It's very nice and amazing, guys. Garlic make a whole lot of difference in your dish. And then you add your seasoning cube, cover and allow it to steam to release its own broth, its own juice for about 7 minutes, and then we'll go in and add more water. After adding more water, you cover, allow it to cook for another 10 minutes, after which you have a very tender soft chicken. Transfer into your air fryer and air fry at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. Guys, please do not forget to subscribe, comment, share, like, and turn on post notification in order to get notified as soon as a new video is being dropped. Thank you. To cook your pasta, add in a little bit of salt into a pot of boiling water, and then in go your pasta. Please do not break your spaghetti. Yes, don't do that. After which you add in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. You can add any vegetable oil of your choice. I use sesame oil here. It helps the pasta not to stick together. Cover your pasta, let it cook until tender, and then we're going to be frying our veggies. Yes, do not forget we're making stir fry pasta, stir fry spaghetti. Into a pan, I added in a little bit of vegetable oil, and I go in with all my veggies. Yes, I use onions, I use the bell peppers, I use green, yellow, and red bell peppers. Please do not to go crazy at this point. Do you? Yes, you're the master of your kitchen. Do you? Do whatever pleases you, and whatever you like is very much important. I went in with pepper and taroto, guys, and then I went in with some oyster sauce and soy sauce. This is very much important. Yeah, please, if you don't have it, get it. Thank you. Add into your perfection. And then I have these prawns that I added to the chicken we made earlier, so I put them in, and then I went in with my spaghetti. At this point, we don't really have to do much. Just stir the spaghetti into the veggies and let everything marry themselves. Let everything marry each other, and yeah, stir fry pasta is ready to be devoured and consumed. Guys, please do not mind me. Yes, please, if you have not subscribed, if you have watched to this point and you love what you see, you like our content, please do well to subscribe, like, share, comment. Guys, we want to hear from you. We want to hear everything you guys have to say about all our recipes. And if there is anything you like us to try on this channel, anything at all, please do well to leave it in the comment section below. So all new subscribers and new viewers, please don't be shy to join the community. And looking to try out new recipes, please do well to check out our other videos. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.